Good morning, guys. Today I gonna show you how to clear YouTube watch history and then how to take a screenshot as a proof. If someone give you the assignment, like sometime teacher give you the assignment to watch video and point out the question or anything else. If you need to give proof someone, so how to take screenshot. And second, how to open when you open the different browser and you have to sign in from the different account on each browser, and then you check on the phone how to take a proof. So let's start. As you can see, I have opened two browser and on my laptop, and on my laptop I have total four browser, and is Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, and Microsoft Edge. And on each browser there is a different person sign in. Like here there is a Francois, George, here is William, and here is Justin. So each one, we are roommate and we have different the browser we are using, the each browser for own. So today I have permission from my friend, so I gonna show you how to check it on the phone and take the screenshot and clean it, the history. So go to the YouTube. So you have to register like I did, like all the four guy who is here. So I already sign in here and save ID and password. So let's start with Justin. So as you can, he go to the profile, click time watch, and here you can see the graph, he have played videos 1 hour and 14 minute, and this is the videos he have played. So go back, and if you want to take the proof, and screenshot before I clear the history, so you have to download the app on the phone, like any app for screenshots. I have X recorder. So click it here, and all the video, whenever we gonna take screenshot or video, it will be here. So go back. So this is the the screenshot logo. Here you can put it anywhere. So when we need it to take a screenshot, we're gonna use it. So go to the YouTube and profile, time watched. So I want to clear this one. So before I clear, I want to have proof and that I can show someone that I have watched that video. So I'm gonna start from here. So because proof, we're gonna need it here. So I'm gonna click it here, and this is for the recording. Click. So it's gonna record within 3 seconds. Yeah, so now it's recording. So then click to the next. So this is the video, it's recording. So I have proof, go back. So now we're gonna stop recording, stop. So this is the little, maybe less than 10-second screen recorded. It will be saved on app, here. So this is the top one. The top one will be the last. So then click to the next. So this is the video. You see it's recorded here. And if you need to send it, so just click it here, the top little button, share that to anyone. You can share to Instagram or WhatsApp, wherever you want. And now go back to the YouTube, and I want to clear this one, watch history. Go back to the profile, go to the setting, and click the history privacy, clear watched history, clear with history. So now it's clear. So let's have a look again. Go to the back on profile, time watch. You see it's nothing here. So same thing, Justin I clear, and I gonna switch the account. I gonna go to the Francois now. So this guy is Francois. So let's have a check. What is the time? What? This is the the graph Francois have watched. Click to the video. So that's the proof. So if you need to again take screenshot, let's go back to the time watch here. So I gonna click here, record. It's gonna record in 3 seconds. 1 2 3 go. Okay, so now it's recording. Go back to the video watched. It's recording here. If there's a lot of video, go up and down, go back. It's enough, you know. I don't need to go longer. So proof. So again, this little clip again, it's gone to the app, you know, the screen recorder. So go back here, profile. I want to clear setting, history, privacy, clear watched history, clear watched history. So now Francois history also is clear. So let's have a look. Time watched, as you can see, is nothing. So again I'm gonna switch the account to the third person. So now I'm gonna go to the William, go to the profile, time watched. So he have watched 56 minutes. So what's the video? Let's check. So this is the video William have watched. Go back. So again, if you want to take screenshot, it's the same thing, you know. Just this is the little, you know, the screen recorder logo. Click here, record. 3 2 1. So it's recording. So you need the video also need to record. Click to watch video. So this is also is recorded. So go back and I'm gonna stop recording. And this little clip again is gone to the app, you know, the screen recorder app, and from there you can share anyone. So I'm gonna again clear the history watched. Click profile, setting, history, privacy, clear watched history, clear watch. So it's this one is also clear. So let's have a look again. Go to the profile, time watched is clear. You see it's nothing here. So the fourth one, again I gonna switch the count to the last guy George here. So let's have a look what he watched. Time watched 33 minutes. What's the video? This is the video he have watched since the history is clear last time. So again, if you want to take screenshot, it's same procedure. Go to time watch and I'm gonna click to the screen recorder here. So record 3 2 1. It's recording now. Yeah. Okay, so click. So this is the video. Record is enough. I don't need more longer. It's easy to share as little as much. So this is also I have proof. I want to clear it before I play to the next person video, or if you have next assignment. So I'm gonna clear setting, history, privacy, clear history. So let's have a look again. Go to the profile, time watched. Oh sorry, refresh page. You see it's clear. So it's very simple, you know. When you have the assignment to watch the video and point out something, question like teacher often give, you know, the student. So it's very good. So it's very easy. You have 4 different browser. Once you sign in on the phone, so you can check and you can clear, you can have a proof and you can share anyone. So thank you very much and have a nice day.